everyone. My name is Hamza. So my problem statement. Have you ever had this problem of booking train tickets from Vizag to Bangalore, and you felt that it would be great if the app shows you some recommendations of connecting train from Vizag to Vijayawada and Vijayawada to Bangalore? Like IRCTC usually doesn't show, the connecting trains which are available for that city. So our app, we will have the data of the connecting trains as well, and it would give you recommendations through an ML model, so that your journey would be seamless, and you cannot cancel on your travel plans, and you also have options like connecting trains where you can where you can reach your destination. All you need to do is from where you are traveling to where, source and the destination. That is my idea, and that's all. Thank you.
I'll give you the next one. Second take. Come on, don't wait.
My name is Subramaniam.
Hello.
My name is Subramaniam. I have an idea that we all know that we all go to some places to visit like tourists, but we don't know what places there are. Am I comfortable with Telugu? ఇప్పుడు మనం కొత్త కొత్త ప్లేసెస్కి వెళ్తాం కదా టూరిస్ట్ విజిట్ కోసం. వెళ్ళినప్పుడు మనకు ఆ ప్లేసెస్లో ఎక్కడెక్కడ మెయిన్ థింగ్స్ ఏముంటాయి, ఏం విజిట్ చేయడానికి ఉంటాయో తెలీదు. నెక్స్ట్ ట్రాన్స్పోర్టేషన్ ఫెసిలిటీ ఎలా ఉంటుందో తెలీదు. కొన్ని సిటీస్లో వాళ్ళకి తగ్గట్టు సిస్టమ్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఇప్పుడు వైజాగ్లో లోకల్ బస్సెస్ ఉన్నట్టు. సో వీ కెన్ బిల్డ్ అన్ యాప్ దట్, అంటే మనం సర్చ్లో ఒక సిటీ కొడితే ఆ పర్టికులర్ టూరిస్ట్ ప్లేసెస్ వచ్చి ఆ టూరిస్ట్ ప్లేసెస్ మీద క్లిక్ చేస్తే ఆ పర్టికులర్, అంటే అక్కడికి వెళ్ళే ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్ ఐడియాస్ కానీ ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్ ఫెసిలిటీస్ ఏమున్నాయో డిస్ప్లే చేస్తుంది ఆ యాప్. దిస్ ఇస్ మై ఐడియా.
Your team. One or two ideas.
Two ideas.
One.
Hello everyone, this is Geeta from Team 4 and my idea is about cleaning. మీలో చాలా మందికి క్లీనింగ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఉంటుంది, అండ్ ఇన్ ద టైమ్ ఆఫ్ ఫెస్టివల్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఫ్రమ్ క్రిస్మస్ ఆర్ ఫర్ రంజాన్ ఆర్ ఫర్ సంక్రాంతి ఆర్ ఫర్ దసరా ఆర్ ఎనీ అదర్ ఫెస్టివల్స్ వీ నీడ్ టు డూ లాట్ ఆఫ్ క్లీనింగ్. సో ఇన్ దట్ టైమ్ మై ఐడియా వాజ్ అబౌట్ క్లీనింగ్ విత్ ద ఫ్యామిలీ అండ్ విత్ వన్ కాల్. లైక్ నేను ఇల్లంతా క్లీన్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాను, బట్ ఐ నీడ్ ఎ హెల్ప్, ఐ నీడ్ ఎ సపోర్ట్. ఇన్ దట్ టైమ్ our app and our website will help you. That's it. Thank you.
Also, she saved you 30 seconds, so you have.
Hi, my name is Durga Prasad. My idea is to recycle the plastics. ఇప్పుడు మనం చూస్తున్నట్టయితే ప్లాస్టిక్ అనేది ఎక్కడ పడితే అక్కడ పడేస్తున్నారు. కాలేజ్లోని, హోటల్స్లోని, ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్స్లోని ఎక్కడ పడితే అక్కడ ప్లాస్టిక్ అనేది వేస్తున్నారు. ఆ ప్లాస్టిక్ని మనం కలెక్ట్ చేసి దాన్ని రీసైకిల్ చేద్దామని. ఇప్పుడు ఆ ఇప్పుడు జీవీఎంసీ కలెక్ట్ చేస్తుందో అంతా డంప్ యార్డ్లోని వేస్ట్గా పోతుంది. ఆ డంప్ యార్డ్లో చేసింది కూడా ఫైట్ చేసి ఎయిర్లోకి రిలీజ్ చేస్తున్నారు. అది పెద్ద కార్బన్ మోనాక్సైడ్ కింద రిలీజ్ అయ్యి అందరికీ కూడా ఇబ్బందిగా ఉంది. అందుకు ఆ ప్లాస్టిక్ అంతా మనమే కలెక్ట్ చేసి మళ్ళీ రీసైకిల్ ప్లాంట్స్ అనేది కండక్ట్ చేద్దాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
You have time for one more idea if you have a third one. Because all put together you finished in 1 minute and like. Alright, next team. Two. Yeah, two ideas.
Hello all. Hello all. Good evening. So just like any other startup, we're going to take a problem and going to try to get a solution from it, and also do business with that. So the burning problem today is the plastic consumption, and single-use plastic is reduced, but already the plastic which is used is floating at the seas and the shores at shores. So my idea is to collect this plastic waste and keep that plastic into a process called pyrolysis, which we burn it without the presence of oxygen, and make diesel grade fuel out of it. So it almost cost 35 to 45 rupees per liter to make it, which is economically viable to run generators. It might not be recommended for the vehicles, but it might used as fuel furnace and also for running generators as well. Thank you.
Good evening, all. Today I'm going to talk about non-alcoholic beverages. This is not a new idea, but I found a price gap of 80 rupees. To take an example, I take Sting as an example. The cheapest energy drink that you get before the launch of Sting is Predator, which is for 50 rupees. For a price gap of 50 rupees, Sting came into the market with a product of 20 rupees, and it is the largest stakeholder of energy drinks in India as per now. So I am thinking to launch a non-alcoholic beverage because it has a price gap of 80 rupees. Thank you.
50 rupees to 20 rupees is gap of 30 rupees. How is it?
50 to 0.
I will questions later, sorry. One or two? We have 2 minutes.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Mahesh. So, my idea is, so we are all having breakfast in the morning is like idli, dosa, puri. So it is not nutritious. So my idea is to let everyone have the nutrition food in the morning. So we are in the alkaline state in the morning. So when we eat the right food in the morning, so our body will work in the good manner. So the full day will be energized. So my idea is to give the people to the, so whenever we go out, so we find only the local shops. There are only few shops only gives the nutrition food. So my idea is to give the breakfast. If we take 5 nutrition foods, let us say oats or millets foods, whatever. If we add some nutritions to the idli and dosa also, if we provide to the people, so they'll be definitely get healthy. So that's my idea. So and it should be also like the minimum price, like 30, 40. Then again, if it exceeds the price, people won't get attracted. So this is my idea.
Agrupe.
Good evening, guys. Basically, it's related to agriculture. So, like, I will go with Telugu, okay? So, generally, farmers ఉంటారు కదా, farmers like most of them are like uneducated, like అంటే వాళ్ళకి సీడ్ క్వాలిటీ కానీ లైక్ ఏ పెస్టిసైడ్స్ ఏ సాయిల్ టెస్ట్ చేస్తే దానికి ఎటువంటి ఫెర్టిలైజర్స్ వాడాలో తెలియదు. లైక్ ఎవరో లైక్ షాప్ ఓనర్ లైక్ ఫెర్టిలైజర్ షాప్ సేల్స్మెన్ చెప్తే వాడతారు, అవును కదా, దే విల్ డూ దట్ థింగ్. సో వై కాంట్ వి కనెక్ట్? దేర్ ఆర్ పీపుల్ హూ ఆర్ డూయింగ్ అగ్రికల్చర్, బిఎస్సీ అగ్రికల్చర్, who are learning more things than in college, right? So classroom లో నేర్చుకున్న దాన్ని farmers కి కలిపితే so that they will also get benefited, right? అంటే farmers కూడా like high yield వస్తుంది. Like example, if you take CSC students, they will keep a track record, like అంటే ఇన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ సాల్వ్ చేస్తాం కోడింగ్ లో అని ఎట్లా పెట్టుకుంటారో అట్లాగే అగ్రికల్చర్ స్టూడెంట్స్ కూడా లైక్ ఈ ఫార్మర్ తో కొలాబరేట్ అయ్యి మేము ఇట్లా ఈ ఫార్మర్ తో కలిసి ఇన్ని రైస్ బ్యాగ్స్ ఈ టర్న్ ఓవర్ లో చేసాము, సో దట్ ఇట్లా వాళ్ళకి ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ వస్తుంది, అలాగే ఫార్మర్స్ కూడా బెనిఫిట్ అవుతారు. సో దిస్ ఇస్ మై ఐడియా.
Thank you, everyone. I have one observation that I'd like to make before I bring in a couple of people who will give their thoughts on this. The one observation, thankfully, after the first 2 teams are done, the others didn't talk about apps. Because I'm getting tired of listening to startup ideas with apps and only apps and nothing else. So I'm glad that there are other things that have come up. So one of my inputs person has gone. So the second person that's there, Sriram, your thoughts on the ideas that you've heard and
Some of
any
them I've
inputs
heard,
that you'd
some
like
I
to
didn't.
share with
Some I did, some I did.
whatever you go. బేసిక్గా ఫుడ్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు అంటే దట్స్ హౌ ఇఫ్ యూ రియలైజ్ హౌ స్లే కాఫీ గాట్ స్టార్టెడ్. స్లే కాఫీ ఎందుకు మొదలు పెట్టడం, నేను వేడి కాఫీ తాగడానికి అంత కష్టమా అని చెప్పి ఆలోచించిన వాళ్ళు, వేడి కాఫీ నిజంగా వేడిగా ఇవ్వాలంటే చాలా కష్టం. 30 రూపాయలకి అదే కాన్సెప్ట్, 30 రూపాయల లోపు ఉండాలి కాఫీ. వై డోంట్ ఐ గెట్ కాఫీ ఆన్ మై టేబుల్ అని ట్రై చేసిన వాళ్ళు, దే రియలైజ్డ్ దట్ దెర్ ఇస్ నో మనీ ఇన్ హాట్ కాఫీ, వెరీ డిఫికల్ట్ టు కీప్ కాఫీ హాట్. So they switch saying we'll give you cold coffee at 80 rupees. So when you're getting into food and delivery, the primary concern is hot. So how do you deliver from wherever you are? Cloud kitchens and you could be in MVP but you're in delivering to Dwarkanagar or somewhere else. So otherwise when you're looking at food, please be very careful. And secondly, when you're talking about agriculture, I just heard the last word to say is, there's so many people, including Tatas have done it, Mahindras have it, Microsoft has it, right? And all of them have failed. To talk about farmers in Kochinapuru, Indian system is that a farmer needs to see people first. వాడు మనిషిని చూసిన తర్వాత, వాడికి భరోసా వచ్చిన తర్వాత మీకు ఫోన్ తీసి మాట్లాడతారు కానీ the farmer will not pick up on the phone and then talk to you. So please, if you're looking at agriculture, farmers, don't think of apps. See to that you put people at the, probably you say you call, a person will come. No. So basically when you look at it, the point we need to understand is the ideas are good, and secondly also see what is the livelihoods you can generate. Don't look at technology. Grameen, one of the things that we have been very consciously trying is to prepare people, mentor them, and then add a technology. Technology is an enabling tool. Technology is not a problem solver. So a fundamental అంటే శ్రీనివాస్ యాప్ అంటుంటే నిజంగా it's really frustrating to say that half the people are saying I do app. So when you look at plastics and you're looking at plastics, is there any which ways? It's a $1 billion industry, right? The plastic recycling. One of my friends called Banyan Tree in Bangalore, in Hyderabad, he's the one who's supplying bottles to Fresh Cement. While plastic bottles and the other recycled waste. So it's a multi-billion dollar industry if you can capture it. So one of the ideas that I have noticed after a year of running Startup Saturdays is we are stuck with Vizag. We are not going beyond Visakhapatnam to see what is happening. We are not looking at, is there anything that with all the technology that you have, all the market you have, all the finance you have in the city, there's so much effect you can create in the peri-urban areas and the rural areas, not far away from here. The tribal areas ke పరిగెత్తలేదు 120, 140 areas. లంబసింగ్లో షెడ్లు పెట్టా అంటే అక్కడేమో చలికాలంలో షెడ్లు వేసి మేము స్ట్రాబెరీ ఫార్మ్స్ పెడతాం. ఎంతమంది వచ్చేస్తారు, ఎవరు రాడు. What are you going to do for the rest of the 9 months? So when you think about it, when you're looking at sustainability, look at India, we need people to be employed. Fundamentally, I choose for that. Anduku, that with that background and without my experience and bias, I'm just kind of coming on to this, commenting on this. Okay, now that Ravi is not available, so I'll leave the floor open to, you had a chance to listen to other groups. This could have been a much bigger discussion with everybody involved, but then it would become chaotic, and so I decided to do this in groups. Now that you've heard ideas from other groups, which idea did you like the most, or for what reason did you like a particular idea? If you want to pick on one and share that, that would be nice, which is not your own. Anyone? So none of you like any of the other ideas.
Let call all of them there and give one more chance, and people will select.
Okay. So come here, and you, right? Both of you. So non-alcoholic beverage, right? And plastic to diesel. Then agriculture,
Food, come forward.
and then one more, right?
Nutritious food you could have.
Nutritious food in the morning breakfast, right?
Plastic recycling.
Plastic recycling and helping with your
Cleaning.
home cleaning.
Home cleaning.
And then the easy way of traveling from one place to another, trains giving an opportunity, and I forgot your idea. Tourism places, yes. Which tourist place to,
What to do at the tourist place?
yeah, what to do at the tourist place and so on. So, what do you want to do? Which one do you, any comments?
I would suggest ask them to find out which idea you like.
Yeah, first we'll go with,
No, within themselves. Let's have themselves only. That's how we need to have a mindset of people. Instead of their idea, they need to like someone else's idea. So ask them only whose idea you like. Then we'll come.
yeah, we don't have that much time. So
If 15 minutes is there.
we have an open mic session also after this. We are still giving a chance
Okay,
for the
okay.
open mic.
Good.
Anyone?
So actually, although mentioned about apps, but still I like the idea of helping hands from her, and the idea of the train ticket booking. Literally, I was also facing, and I was thinking, although it appears to be easy, but it's very helpful, and sometimes it really makes impact.
Absolutely. Absolutely. We have a problem right now, or rather, the Ahab team has a problem right now. They need a gardener, and there is no gardener. And there are lots of plants. There are 50 plants that we got more than 6 weeks ago that have not been planted because World Environment Day was in June, and we got the plants in July, and so nobody wants to plant them, including me, by the way. So if you can find a gardener and send us a gardener, we will take care of that. So as Prapan has proposed, now that you have an idea, which one do you want to quickly pick out instead of yours? What are these seven?
I think the agriculture one which you
Okay,
mentioned.
one. The one with the service thing. Oh. Plastic to diesel. Agriculture. Plastic recycling. Helping hands. Agriculture. So agriculture and plastic are the ones, recycling are the ones that are the top two ideas.
So now we will ask others.
Yeah. So the rest of you who are not agriculture and plastic recycling, have a seat. We'll have the two people here who are plastic recycling and agriculture.
Good one.
Okay, with a quick show of hands, which one? So agriculture. Okay, plastic recycling. Okay, agriculture wins. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you everyone.